The NPS Series CBG Convertible Bench Units with ganging are available in 6-foot, 7-foot, or 8-foot lengths with multiple height options and are perfect for a variety of uses including assembly seating, classroom or study hall, or combine 2 units with ganging for a full cafeteria bench table. Tables and benches fold and nest beautifully for compact storage. Tabletops rotate with a flick of the hand, and flip-up benches have a built-in stopper to prevent finger pinching and bacteria buildup. 3/4-inch thick tops are available in a variety of colors in your choice of plywood, MDF, or particle board cores with either T-mold or Protect Edge antibacterial edges. Phenolic backer adds sanitary protection and is power washable. Tables and benches are fastened to a 14-gauge textured black powder-coated frame with tamper-free hardware. All CBG units are furnished with locking casters and non-marring reinforced nylon glides with steel inserts for long-lasting floor protection. Assembled in the USA with global materials, tables are UL approved for safety, MASS certified green, and environmentally tested for LEED projects. With a bumper-to-bumper 15-year warranty, NPS convertible benches are the superior choice and best value.